Hello， 各位嘉賓、各位傳媒嘅朋友，大家好。喺度咧係首先咧要代表呢個 Estée Lauder 咧，歡迎大家咧出席 Estée Lauder 嘅我哋今日嘅 Advanced Night Repair 嘅 Celebration 嘅午宴嘅。首先嚟自我介紹先，我係李浩林 Derek， 大家好。首先要代表 Estée Lauder 咧，同大家講聲 Happy New Year， 祝大家咧身體健康，萬事勝意嘅。好啦，嗱，頭先我哋一開場嘅時候咧，就睇到一個嘅 video 啦。咁呢個 video 一開始嘅時候咧，就係見到我哋叫做30 Greatest Innovations。咁咧就係睇到咧喺過去呢30年嚟咧，一啲人類嘅重大嘅發明嘅。咁其實呢啲重大嘅發明咧，亦都係改善咗我哋嘅生活嘅質素。不過講到喺美顏方面嘅重大發明咧，咁啊絕對係非呢一個 Estée Lauder 嘅 Advanced Night Repair， 我哋簡稱 ANR 莫屬啦。嗱，講到咧 Advanced Night Repair 咧，佢喺世界各地咧，亦都係獲得咧超過20多項嘅專利啦。安姐，你幫我影緊相啊！唔該晒，你咪微博緊啊？係咪話俾大家知係我哋而家係做緊呢個 ANR 嘅呢個 celebration 嘅？係咁啊有超過20項嘅呢一個嘅專利之外啦，亦都係獲得呢一個 DNA 修護嘅先驅嘅美譽嘅，咁啊絕對係實至名歸嘅。咁啊講到嚟到呢個咦有多位朋友幫我唔該晒，嚟到呢個2012年呢一個今年啦，咁啊亦都係 Estée Lauder 咧承先啟後嘅一年嘅，咁佢哋會繼續喺呢一個DNA 修護嘅呢一個探討啦，咁亦都希望為世界各地咧愛美嘅女士咧締造咧更完美嘅肌膚嘅。嗱，其實咧 ANR 咧作為全球銷量 No.1 嘅 DNA 嘅修護精華啦，咁佢亦都為美容界又或者係愛美嘅女士咧帶嚟好多嘅 No.1 嘅。So, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. I'd like to welcome you all to Estée Lauder's Advanced Night Repair Celebration Luncheon. My name is Derek Lee. Happy New Year and all the best to all of our guests. So we started off the luncheon with a video called 30 Greatest Innovations. So we reviewed some of the greatest innovations that has improved our lives over the last 30 years. But talking about the greatest beauty innovation, I'm sure you all agree is Estée Lauder's Advanced Night Repair. So we're here to celebrate the success of Advanced Night Repair. 好啦，喺呢個時間咧，我想請我哋嘅主人家同大家講幾句説話嘅。請大家歡迎 Estée Lauder 集團亞太區總裁 ，Please welcome the President Asia Pacific for the Estée Lauder Companies, Mr. Fabrice Weber.
Esteemed guests, dear friends from the media and the press, dear friends from our retail partners, and ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon and a very, very warm welcome to this anniversary luncheon for Advanced Night Repair. 30 years, as you just heard. It's not necessarily very old for a beauty business, but it's certainly a lot of seniority for a beauty product. Today we have two very, very simple goals. The first one is truly to share the joy from the Lauder teams around the world with you all about this ultimately revolution 30 years ago in DNA research and in repair innovation. 20 patents worldwide and 70 beauty awards worldwide. It's probably the most rewarded or awarded product around the world in our industry. And more importantly, millions of women around the world have adopted the product, not just for the night, despite the name, but for the day and the night, daily, 360 days a year. The second goal is clearly about you, ladies, and a few gentlemen, is to allow you to kickstart this new year on a very smooth fashion with a very big accent on beauty and only beauty. So I'm not going to tell you what is coming next, but I hope you will reward the Estée Lauder team and their partners for their creativity and their efforts in raising the bar from an excellence perspective at displaying beauty to you all. The other joy and honor that we have today to share with you all is the announcement that the Estée Lauder brand is blessed to finally have another extremely high-profile beauty ambassador joining us day in, day out for the future. You all know that Ms. Guo Jingjing is sitting on my right at the table. She will later address the audience, but needless to say, for us to have not just that much grace and beauty, but also so much skills that you have all, I hope, benefited from Sydney to Athens to Beijing, across a few world championships. You have seen what mesmerizing skills Jingjing has been able to display over the last decade. So we are very proud of that, and later she will join us on stage for a few words. In the meantime, I want to wish you all a very enjoyable luncheon, and I look forward coming back on stage in a few minutes after 2 or 3 dishes. Derek, I love your jacket. I am very, very jealous. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Enjoy the lunch.
Thank you, Fabrice. Thank you so very much. 係啦，咁啊 ，Fabrice 都提過啦，咁其實咧，Advanced Night Repair 咧係應該咧都係呢個全球獲得最多獎項嘅一個嘅美容產品啦，亦都係帶領住呢一個 DNA 修護嘅呢一個嘅先河嘅。我記得咧Lisa 嗰陣時都同我講啦，佢話仔你乜都唔使用㗎啦，你淨係用你 ANR 就得㗎。你翻 Advanced Night Repair 咧，你啲皮膚就係好靚嘅，所以咧即係 ANR 咧，即係唔單止係女士嘅恩物嘅，男士都係恩物嚟嘅。好啦，咁啊頭先Fabrice 都講過啦，咁其實我哋今日係一個好特別嘅別開生面嘅一個舞台表演，稍後咧會同大家介紹嘅。咁喺呢個時間咧，請大家首先享用我哋嘅午餐先，咁啊轉頭翻嚟咧，我哋就有個好特別嘅演出啦。So bon appetit！
揀啱精華，一支就夠。Estée Lauder Advanced Night Repair 30年嚟一直保持 No.1 嘅 DNA 修復科技，從第一滴令肌膚水潤亮澤，到每日使用，肌膚質素不斷提升，重現年輕無瑕，完美肌膚每日再生。Advanced Night Repair 特別呈現30週年限量版 Estée Lauder。
So I hope everybody has been enjoying lunch. 好啦，咁啊頭先我哋講到啦，咁Estée Lauder 嘅 Advanced Night Repair 咁作為護膚科研嘅領導同埋突破啦，咁睇佢嘅銷量就知道啦，咁係作為全球 No.1 嘅呢一個嘅 DNA 修護嘅精華嘅呢個銷量，成績係絕對非常之驚人嘅。咁亦都係為超過600萬名嘅女性咧係締造年輕嘅肌膚美麗一生嘅。咁為咗要慶祝啦呢個Advanced Night Repair 佢哋成就咁多唔同風華嘅女性嘅美咧，所以咧頭先Miss Webber 都提到啦，咁我哋今日一個別開生面嘅表演，咁係一個音樂華麗園嘅，咁我哋咧亦都好榮幸啦，可以邀請到香港著名嘅音樂才子趙增熹先生，佢將一啲大家好熟悉嘅佢嘅首本名曲咧重新編排，咁而且咧會親自鋼琴彈奏嘅，咁亦都我哋好榮幸都邀請到咧6位嚟自中港台嘅代表住唔同年代風華嘅女性嘅著名嘅模特兒，咁包括有 Patina、林嘉怡、有 Jessie Ming、孟廣美、有大小翼、有 Janet Ma、馬詩慧，仲有小白白音慧 Bianca。咁再加上呢一個 Grace 余嘉文，咁佢哋咧就係將會咧就係演繹咧就係由著名嘅時裝設計師 Spy Henry Lau 所特別 根據住佢哋嘅美態而設計嘅 Haute Couture 嘅晚裝嘅。咁其實咧喺呢個表演亦都可以突顯出我哋品牌嘅哲學，就係 Every woman can be beautiful。每一位嘅女性都可以係更美麗嘅。Now, to celebrate Advanced Night Repair's success, as Fabrice said earlier, we have a very, very special presentation. We're very honored to have invited renowned Hong Kong composer, Mr. Chiu Chang-hei. He has rearranged some of his famous works, and he'll be on the piano himself. There he is, a handsome gentleman. Big hand for Mr. Chiu Chang-hei. Looking very handsome tonight. Yeah, and he'll be on the piano and accompany our 6 beauty icons from Greater China, and they will be wearing haute couture clothes specially designed for this occasion by Spy Henry Lau. And this presentation reflects our brand's philosophy, which is every woman can be beautiful. 好啦，請大家以熱烈嘅掌聲歡迎趙增熹先生同埋我哋6位嘅著名皇帝。Please welcome Mr. Chiu Chang-hei and our 6 beautiful models.